Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Airbnb search suggestion feature. So let me tell you guys, Airbnb's search suggestion feature provides in real-time personalized recommendations for destinations, homes and experiences based on your typed input, past searches and trending locations. So to use this feature, what you're going to have to do is open your Airbnb app, and then as you begin typing a city or a region in the search bar, a drop-down list of suggested locations and popular destinations will appear, helping you find specific areas. Now tap on a suggested destination to quickly refine your search area. Now use the nearby option to discover experiences or homes close to your current location. Now systems offer tailored categories such as amazing pools or beachfront to help narrow down options based on your preferences. When you tap filters, Airbnb may suggest specific filters, for example, Wi-Fi, self check-in, based on your past searches and those of similar users. Now for specific amenities, use the search engine with site airbnb.com combined with keywords such as site airbnb.com. 5 places to find specific types of places. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.